2019 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 59,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.